Book of Mormon Stories. What a classic song. It's going to be a fun one. Let's go. To start off, let's review power chords. Power chords are when you play the thumb and the pinky together 5 notes apart. So if we have our thumb on D, this is a D power chord. And the same goes true for the left hand. In Book of Mormon Stories, we're going to play power chords in both hands at the same time. There's an F power chord that we'll need as well. So we just skip up to the F at the bottom of 3 blacks. We go one more up to G. And then we can return home to D. Thumb right in between those 2 blacks. So it'll look like this. Book of Mormon stories that my teacher tells to me. Now your turn. These are all on D. 1, 2, ready, go. Book of Mormon stories that my teacher tells to me. The next line is exactly the same. Here we go. Are about the Lamanites in ancient history. Now we're moving up to F, and it's going to be the same thing, just on our new note. 1, 2, ready, go. Long ago their fathers came from far across the sea. Now we've got some quick changes. G to D. In this land, if they live. Let's do that again. So G. And then where your left hand thumb is, your right hand thumb is going to go. One more time. Let's go from G to D. Give this land if they live. And now we're going to do quick changes again. G, A, D. With the words, righteously. Let's do the whole song. 1, 2, ready, go. Book of Mormon stories that my teacher tells to me are about the Lamanites in ancient history. Long ago their fathers came from far across the sea. Give this land if they live righteously. That was a lot of fun. Hope to see you again real soon.